Right now, as you watch this, your brain is actively stealing money from you. Not a thief, not the government, your own brain. 7 psychological traps drain your wallet every single day, and you don't even know it. Trap 1, the latte factor. Dave spends $5 on coffee every morning. Harmless, right? In 10 years, that's $18,000. Invested? $42,000. Your brain says it's just $5. Your brain is lying. Trap 2, anchoring. A store shows you a jacket for $800, then crosses it out, sale $300. Your brain screams deal, but the jacket was always worth $150. You just got played. Trap 3, lifestyle inflation. Dave gets a raise, $10,000 more per year. Does he invest it? No, he upgrades his car, nicer apartment, better phone. His salary went up. His savings stayed at 0. Trap 4, present bias. Your brain values $100 today more than $200 next year. It's why you can't save. Your brain literally cannot imagine your future self. To your brain, future you is a stranger. Let's be honest, your brain's been pulling these moves your whole life. You deserve it. You'll start saving next month. It's only $20. Sound familiar? Your brain has a script, and you keep falling for it. Trap 5, social comparison. Dave's neighbor buys a new car. Now Dave needs one too. His coworker gets a watch. Dave needs a better one. He's not buying things he wants. He's buying things to impress people he doesn't even like. Trap 6, sunk cost fallacy. Dave bought gym membership for a year. He hates it, but keeps going because I already paid for it. He's spending time to justify money he already lost. The brain loves this loop. Final trap, mental accounting. Dave won't touch his savings for an emergency, but happily spends his tax refund on vacation. It's the same money, but your brain treats it differently. A dollar is a dollar. Your brain disagrees. So let's count 7 traps, running every day, costing the average American over $200,000 in a lifetime. But here's what nobody tells you. There's a way to beat every single one. Stay with me. Solution 1, the 24-hour rule. Want something? Wait 1 day. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. 70% of impulse purchases disappear after 24 hours. 1 day of patience saves thousands per year. Solution 2, automate everything. Set up automatic transfers. 20% of your paycheck goes to savings before you even see it. You can't spend what you never touch. Remove your brain from the equation entirely. Solution 3, the 10-10-10 rule. Before any purchase, ask yourself, how will I feel about this in 10 minutes? 10 months? 10 years? If the answer isn't great for all 3, don't buy it. Simple, devastating to your brain. Solution 4, design your environment. Unsubscribe from marketing emails, delete shopping apps, unfollow luxury accounts. Your brain can't crave what it doesn't see. Remove temptation and your willpower becomes irrelevant. The easiest battle is one you never fight. Solution 5, meet your future self. Studies show that people who visualize their older selves save 60% more money. Write a letter to 65-year-old you. Suddenly that stranger becomes someone you care about, and your brain can't fight that. So now you know the traps, you know the solutions. The question is, who wins? Your brain has been undefeated for years, but Dave's got something the brain didn't expect, knowledge, and knowledge changes the game. Here's what most people miss. These traps don't steal big, they steal small. $5 here, $20 there, but compound that over 30 years and your brain has silently redirected over $300,000 away from your future. Here's your 7-day challenge. Day 1, track every dollar you spend. Day 3, delete shopping apps. Day 5, set up automatic savings. Day 7, write a letter to your future self. 7 days, 7 actions. Your brain won't know what hit it. But here's the twist no one expects. Your brain isn't evil. It evolved to protect you. It just wasn't designed for a world of infinite temptation. Train it right, and the same brain that trapped you becomes the weapon that builds your wealth. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90%. Hit subscribe. We just declared war on your brain's worst habits. Next video, the 5 investment mistakes your brain makes that cost you $1 million. Don't miss it.